The jacket cooling water system. Fresh water is been pumped from water reservoir to the cooling tower by the centrifugal pump. In the cooling tower the water is been cooled by in the contraflow manner that cools the water droplet for the purpose of cooling the system. The water will flow to a main piping system where it's distributed to a jacket cooling system, a hydrometer system. The jacket cooling pump of a centrifugal type pump the jacket cooling water to the L.O cooler where it cools down the lubricating oil of the main engine. The freshwater system also plays an important part of cooling the main engine jacket cooling system where it will flow through piping system through a manifold located behind the cylinders of the main engine. It is then diverted of the cooling path of the liner where it will flow to the cylinder head, for cooling of the cylinder head system, then will flow out to the series of ports, which then will flow to the water reservoir which complete the cycle. Apart from that, if the temperature is still cool enough for the system, it will return back to the suction line of the jacket cooling water pump. This temperature and pressure is monitored by various thermometer and pressure gauges.